Okay, the full process for making yogurt with an Instapot, beginning to end.
Put some water in. Just a couple cups would be fine. And close this up. Close the valve. And we're going to hit steam here. Let it go. It'll cycle in. It'll sterilize the entire interior, the ring, everything. And then we'll be ready to start yogurt. And that's now sterile. Now this is ultra pasteurized, but it still seems to work. So it's whole milk. 3 liters of milk will equal 2 liters of yogurt. All right. Close the valve. Yogurt. Boil. And that'll bring it up to 180 degrees. That'll kill off any stray pathogens. But it also it changes the proteins. Do this where it will never get quite to 180 degrees. Okay, so this just went off. It's saying it's good to go. We need to take a temperature reading. .78, 0.1, 0.3, 0.7. All right, not quite there yet. So I'm going to put it back on. And hit yogurt again. Cancel. Boil. And I'm going to go again. Okay, this went off again. Let's see if it holds, if the temp's right now. Boom. We hit our 180, a little bit over actually. That's fine.
Okay, now we're going to let that cool down to 114 to 115, somewhere in that range. And that'll allow the yogurt to have a good environment to start to grow.
Okay, I've had this sitting on a tile counter to cool faster. Let's see where we're at. And that is about perfect. 115 is about the limit you want. Yeast is going to be good between 105 and 115. Anything above that, you're going to kill the yeast if you put it in. So this is 114. That's about where we want.
Okay, just a note, if you do not have old yogurt that you've saved from the last batch, you can use store-bought yogurt. As long as it has live cultures in it, it will work.
This is our yogurt.
So freezing the yogurt causes some of the fat to separate. It should be fine.
Place the lid on. Go ahead and hit hit yogurt. Hit it again to get the time. That's 24 hours. We don't want that much. So it's about 6 o'clock right now when I'm doing this. So that would make this ready at about noon tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and let that go. I'm going to close the bail here so we can regulate the temperature easier. It'll never get to the point where it seals again unless it goes to boiling, which we don't want. But it'll maintain the temp at 115 degrees for the next 18 hours so the yogurt can grow. And normally it's between 12 and 24 hours on the timer. So 12 is going to be not quite as tangy. 24 is going to be very tangy. I shoot for like 17 or 18. Okay, so I've got boiling water here. These are the tongs. This is the spatula, and there. I've got the bags in there. And now it should be ready to go. Yogurt. Okay, everything's sterilized. All right. This is the messiest part of making yogurt. I wish there was a little bit easier method. I think next time I'm going to take a 2-liter bottle and then scoop this over the top of it and then use that as a stand. So this is a little bit more one-handed. And I'll let that drain for however long it takes. I got them kind of uneven, but I'll let those sit until they stop dripping. A couple hours maybe. All right, this has been 3 hours now. I'm letting this drip. It's considerably thicker. All right. Oh, that's thick. That's thick. Lovely. See the way on the side?
That's been sitting about, what is it? It's about 10:30, 11 in the morning right now. So that's been overnight. Works well. Learning this trick with the Instapot for making yogurt has been a game changer. Make your life easier by going ahead and prepping ahead. So for your next batch, go ahead and just take a quarter cup of yogurt you made. After you've tasted it, make sure it's good. And then freeze it off in the freezer, and then you're good to go. You're all prepped. You don't have to be precise on this. You just want about a quarter cup. Anyway, thanks for watching this far. If you give this a try, leave a comment below and let me know.